Hi guys, welcome to the Horror Family channel. I am Red Rum Queen and
I'm Shasha 13th.
And today we're going to do a spirits unboxing video. We've been kind of bored at the house, staying home, trying to stay safe. Unfortunately, Halloween Horror Nights was canceled and Spooky Empire was canceled, and I completely understand why, but it doesn't take away from the fact that sucks because of this stupid coronavirus. So hopefully soon we'll be able to make videos back out in the field instead of just at the house. But for now, we wanted to show you some of the things we got at Spirits. We're kind of staying away from going at stores and stuff like that because we don't feel completely 100% safe doing that. So we decided to order our Spirits goodies online. So today is an unboxing at Spirits Halloween Store 2020. So here we begin. We ordered 2 different orders, and one of the orders came in 3 different packages because they all were released at different dates. And then we ordered another item, and they came in 1 package. So here is one of our items, and we're going to see what's inside this little bag. Then we ordered, this one is a little more heavier. It's also in one of those little white bags. And then we have 2 boxes here. I'm going to show you one of the boxes. This is the smaller box, and underneath is a little bit larger box. But again, we don't want to reveal any address leaks, so we're going to pause this video real quick and get these things opened and out of the way, and then show you exactly what was inside. So stay tuned. Hi, we're back. So I went ahead and opened some of the items, actually all the items, and we're going to go ahead and show you what they are. This is part of our first order, which was in 3 parts, which I mentioned before. And I'm going to have Slasher Killer 13th go ahead and show you what it is.
So the first one is the Sandworm from Beetlejuice. If you go outside your house and these things will try to eat you, and it goes for it. This is a cool sandworm. It can pose, as you can see. And they were going to have a Beetlejuice house this year, but you know, COVID said no. And now we have this. It's a really cool prop. I didn't see it. It's exactly like the one in the movie, but shorter than the one in the movie.
And probably less scary.
Yeah. It's a very cool thing, and I really like it.
Yeah, and yeah, you can see how he bends. Make it smaller, make him bigger. And he has the red eyes, and he cost $24.99 at Spirits Halloween Store. The next item is another part of the 3-part series, and he is
Hugs the Clown. He was an animatronic at Spirits Rescue in, I believe, 2017 or 2018, I'm not sure. But he always Hugs the Clown. He has all the purple hair, he does all the sound effects, but he doesn't jump out at you like the real one. These are very cool. He has all the details of the real thing, like even the sign, like everything's exactly like the real thing, but not as big.
a small version.
Yes.
Much smaller version.
Yes.
But he's still creepy, as you can see. I'll bring him up close. I don't know, the Try Me thing is not working, so he's probably dead on those batteries. So we're going to go ahead and unpackage him from all the package stuff here, and go ahead and put some batteries on and try him out so we can show you what he does. But he's really cool and creepy, and we plan on doing something with him to kind of compensate for the lack of Halloween things we're doing this year because of COVID. But you're just going to have to wait and see what we're cooking up at the Horror Family Happy Home Sweet Home, or Happy
Tomb Sweet Tomb.
Tomb Sweet Tomb. So that's him. And in regards to the Beetlejuice, we also plan to do something with our home more on a permanent level. But again, we're keeping that all under wraps until we get everything all cooked up and ready. And right now we are in the process of getting this house all looking cool. This room is one of the rooms that we're going to be redoing. Obviously we're going to keep all the Halloween props, but we're going to be changing it up and making it more spooky. So you're going to have to stay tuned. The next item I'll go ahead and introduce. This is not part of the 3-part series. This is another order I placed because I thought Sam needed a little bit of some background. So I went ahead and I ordered the tapestry. It's very large, so I'm not going to go ahead and open it because it is pretty much going to take up the entire wall, from the roof all the way to pretty much the bottom. It's the size of a window, I want to say, that's behind Sam in regards to width. But this is the Trick or Treat tapestry they made. They made it to be movie accurate, where he says, "Trick or treat, give me something good to eat," and it's written in blood. And this is a little bit of the tapestry, as you can see. And if you got the tapestry for Stranger Things, this is pretty much the same material, as well as the flower wallpaper. It's slightly different on the flowers to be more of Trick or Treat and less Stranger Things. And then they have the blood, sort of like they had the letters on the Stranger Things one, which we do own. And you might have seen it in some of our photos, but like I said, I didn't take all the packaging off here, but I did take it off on this side, so you can kind of see a little bit of what you're going to be getting. And it's the same material as the Stranger Things one, and it's really cool, and we can't wait to hang it up in Slasher Killer 13's room, which is also part of what we are going to be doing for the horror family Happy Home Sweet Home. And then the next item I'm going to show you, and I think I lost my remote control. That's okay. Is this guy, or girl, shall I say. And she is part of the 3-part order that we ordered. And I'm going to let Slasher Killer 13 briefly show you her. We can't fully show you her because she's still also in the package.
So this is Harley Quinn, but not the one from DC. A more creepier version. Yeah, it is very creepy. I'll try to show you her face. As you can see, just creepy.
Pretty creepy.
Yeah. She's a very cool pop.
And if you press her button here, you can see kind of what she does in the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and come up close, get that light glare off of there, which actually probably just step back and let's see what we can do. But I'll go ahead and just show you her face.
Don't look under your bed. Don't look in your closet. In fact, just keep your eyes closed.
Well, she's pretty creepy and she can give you nightmares. She will be added to our secret thing that we are planning. And you're just going to, again, have to stay tuned to that. So we're going to go ahead and do some unpacking of some of the stuff so we can show you a little better what our little Harley Quinn doll does and our little lovely Free Hugs clown does. So stay tuned and we'll be back. And we're back.
So the first thing we got that's been unboxed is Hugs the Clown. See, I'll zoom in. He's very cool. I'll try to turn him up too.
Wow, you're a fast one.
He says all the voice lines on the animatronic, as you
You
can see.
there? Do you want to play a game? If I catch you, then I get to eat you.
Like Pennywise.
Yes.
And his legs are soft. His arms are soft at the top part except for right here because his hands are here, so it's a little hard there. His crazy hot mess hair. His head is obviously hard, and the battery pack is here in the middle of the little animatronic type doll thing.
So the next one we have is
So say bye to Hugs the Clown.
Harley Quinn.
He still's not done talking to you. Just give him a minute. But here's Regan meets Harley meets the circus.
Anyway, trying to find her operation thing. There we go. And
She doesn't talk at first. She'll start talking.
Don't look under your bed. Don't look in your closet. In fact,
Mr. Hugs there are going to be added to our special thing that we're cooking up here at the Horror Family. Trying to keep our social distance as pretty much just staying at the house. And unless we have to go to work or get anything that we can't do through delivery or through pretty much delivery or mail or whatever. So this is our cute little Harley Quinn doll and our free hugs clown. He is $24.99 at Spirits Halloween. She is $39.99 at Spirits Halloween. She is, again, soft in the arms, soft in the legs, and her battery pack is here in the middle, and then there's her hair. Of course, her head is hard. So these are our little guys. Again, $24.99, $39.99. Mr. Sandworm here is $24.99, and our Trick or Treat tapestry is $19.99. And go in and look out for coupons, because I'm sure you're going to be getting them soon in your emails as well as the mail. And I accidentally pressed him. So you'll get that 20% off coupon there, where you can get discounts on the entire order or on one item. You can get your stuff online, you can get your stuff in stores, whenever you feel safer. And you can order these cute little guys. And I think that's it. So remember, the family that scares together stays together.
I know your secrets. I know your fears. Don't bother trying to hide them from me.
So remember, sweet dreams, everyone.